Do not use cash. Do not pay in cash. Why would you pay in cash? Get a credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell by the title, this is gonna be a updated how to get an 800 credit score. Honey, we made it. I've been working years and I finally reached like the 800 mark, which is like crazy to me because I thought it was gonna take even longer, but it literally shot up. And so a lot of people were asking like, how did you do it, all that. So of course I'm going to show you how to get an 800 credit score. I'm gonna just tell you my personal journey, so maybe it can give you insight on one way to reach your 800 credit score. So if you're interested in learning about how to raise your credit score and my personal journey that could help you, then keep on watching. Bye.
Hello, everybody. I'm Rebecca Bloomwood.
Hi, Rebecca.
I just actually came here as a favor to a friend. I mean, I like shopping. Is there anything so wrong with that? I mean, stores are put there to enjoy. The experience is enjoyable. Well, more than enjoyable. It's beautiful.
If you are like new to credit or don't know anything about credit cards or trying to raise your credit score, definitely check out my other videos. I posted them years ago. It's when I was first starting my credit card journey. So definitely check those videos out if you have below a 700 credit score, because this video is going to be for people who have a 750 and above and just want to reach that 800 mark very quickly within like the 6-month time span. But if you're not, you know, around that area, definitely check out my other videos that could help you and start you on your journey. So you guys, I'm gonna just explain my journey with my credit cards. I understand everybody else has different lives and different journeys. I'm just personally gonna share with you my journey through finance and what has worked for me. And yeah, so first things first, when I was 21, I got my first credit card. My mom just told me I need to get a credit card. And I was like kind of spooked because like so many people would tell me never to get a credit card. It's bad, you're gonna go into debt. There's so much negative connotations on a credit card, crazy, right? So I got a credit card from Capital One. They gave me like $300 credit limit, which is only $90 that I could spend. So through that maybe first 6 months of Capital One credit card during my college years, I would only use my credit card for gas only. I was smart enough to do research and understand like credit cards before getting a credit card. So I think that's what kind of spooks people, is because they don't know how to search for credit cards, or they don't even know how to use a credit card, and they just think, oh, if I have $1,000 on a credit card, I could spend the whole $1,000. No, you can't. Only 30% of that $1,000, honey. So so that's what, $300? It does have a reward system, which is cash back. So the Capital One, every time I spend a certain amount of money, I would get cash back, and I would use that as my little mini savings account. So I highly recommend cash back options for your first credit card, because it just gives you motivation to, you know, use your credit card or whatever. So yeah, fast forward to like 8-9 months, I got a Apple credit card, which is Barclays credit card, and that reward system was just gift cards. Like you earn a certain amount of points and you get a $25 gift card every time, which is the worst you could do. Never get a retail gift card. That was my second gift card, or my second credit card was the Apple. I still have it till this day because it's my second oldest, and I only use it till this day for my Spotify subscription. That's it. For my Capital One, which is the oldest one since I was 21 years old, I only put my phone bill. So That's something that could maybe help you. Only put things on your credit card that you're automatically gonna pay. You're already gonna pay for your phone, might as well put it on your credit card and put the auto pay option on, so it just takes money out regardless, and you get you kill two birds with one stone. You build your credit and you pay for your phone bill. What? So that's what I do for my first and my oldest credit card. My second credit card, which is the Apple one, I just put my subscription plans on there, which is like $5-10. So mind you, right now to this very day, that $300 credit limit from Capital One and Barclays rose up to almost $6,000 in credit limit, and I still do the same thing. Only my phone bill, only my subscription plans. So I'm using less than 1% of my credit card utilization, and that has really rose my credit score. So tip number 1 is make sure you spend less in credit card utilization. Just put what you already have that you're gonna spend on your credit card. Do not spend beyond your means. Okay, so this is card number 3. So I think years later, I waited maybe like 2 years. I decided to get a third credit card, which is the Amazon credit card. I thought I needed the Amazon credit card because I was addicted to Amazon, you know, still am. But now, to this day, I don't even use that Amazon credit card whatsoever. I only use it for my Audible subscription. So imagine $6,000 in credit card limit and only paying $15 a month. Like, it's keeping my utilization so low. So even though the 30% is the cap, really keep your credit cards from 5% and lower. So that was my third credit card, which is the Amazon, and I got, like, for the rewards, it was just extra. The rewards just goes back into Amazon basically, so you rack up points to spend more money on Amazon. So that's something that I didn't really like either. So retail cards is a no. So I have 2 retail cards so far that I mentioned, and then 1 regular Capital One rewards. You get money, actual coin back. So card number 4, I just recently got, which is from last year, and this is what rose me to that 800 credit score limit. And I already knew it was going to raise me up that high because of the limit they gave me to start off and the rewards that I took advantage of. So once you have the motion of getting your credit cards, make sure before opening up any new credit card line, make sure you're going to spend something big. Like last year, I wanted to buy this very camera that you see that I'm filming right here. Cost $4,000, and I had it too. So I was like, you know what? I want to get a travel credit card. Put that $4,000 on my travel credit card so I can get points. So that's when I did research on the best travel credit card, because I wanted to set myself up to where I want to travel more. So I was like, you know what? If I set myself up to travel, might as well get a travel credit card so I can be prepared for anything. So Chase Sapphire is my 4th card. Chase Sapphire, which is my first card that I had to pay yearly, $95 yearly, just to even have the card. And some perks with opening that card was if you spend, I believe it was $4,000. I think it was $4,000 for the first 6 months. You get 100,000 in points, or you get a crazy number. I'll have it on the screen, but that's $700 right there. Like 100,000 in points, $700 in real money. The flights, all that could be free for me. So imagine me wanting to buy a camera, already have the money for that camera, and I'm like, instead of just paying cash with the camera, why not raise my credit score, get a free flight to wherever I want in the world and the camera. Smartest thing I ever did. And that's just something that I love to tell people. Like, if you have something big that you're about to spend money on, do not use cash. Do not pay in cash. Why would you pay in cash? Get a credit card. Take advantage of the reward system. When you first open the credit card, get that extra cash back or that extra flight that extra whatever and raise your credit score and get the same item you were already gonna spend money on, and just pay the card off with the money you already have. Simple, right? It's very, very simple. That's something that I just learned literally like last year, and I've been telling like all my friends and family, like, you should do this. Just don't even get a credit card until you're going to spend a lot of money on something. So my next card that I am wanting to invest in is the Chase Reserve, which is $500 a year. I'm not on that level yet, but I know I'm gonna do it soon, maybe in the next year or so. Always, like, once you get into the motion of credit cards, like, and understand it, the more you want to get more credit cards to take advantage of the rewards, and the higher your score is gonna get. Bonus tip, you guys, this is a bonus tip, and this is how I really rose my credit score. So you know how I was talking about the Chase travel card? That is my #1 credit card that I put everything on, like my groceries, my stuff, my eating out, my expenses, anything expense wise. I use my Chase credit card, my Chase Sapphire travel card, because A, I get double the points going to restaurants, B, I get points every time I swipe my card. So that's the most utilization I use, is the Chase credit card. So I use maybe almost 20%, which is a lot, a lot of utilization. But here's the thing, this is what I do. Listen closely. I pay that card twice a month. I pay every card off at the end of the month. I pay every card off, but this specific one that I'm using a lot of utilization. So if you have a credit card that you keep swiping and have a lot of utilization on it, pay it off twice in the month. So for the first 2 weeks I'm swiping my card, I pay it off, and then the last 2 weeks I swipe my card, I pay it off before the due date. So it looks like on the bank statement that I'm paying it twice in a month. So that has really skyrocketed my credit score through the roof to 800, which I'm shook. Okay, so that's something that you could try, especially if you have a lot of debt and you're watching this. Pay off your card twice in a month, and that will help your credit score so much. And I think that's it. Yeah, so I'm super excited for my financial journey. Let me know if you guys want more information about like my journey through personal finance, because I went to school for finance, graduated at Cal State Dominguez with a bachelor's in finance, so I know a little something about money. And I just really think that if everybody's educated on finance, it's not as scary as people may put it, and then like it'll make it easier for you to grow wealth in the future and for your future family generations. So yeah, I am done talking. I talked so much, oh my goodness, but I hope you guys learned something through my journey, and hope that you apply a little bit of tips that I've told you about, and maybe can help you raise your credit score to 800. So that is basically it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.